Today we're gonna discuss about hand feeding the parrot chicks. So this is my birds. They are hand feeding chicks, actually 2.5 months and 3 months old. So they used to fly a lot and they play with me. So hand feeding is very important while you need to tame a bird very well, so they'll be playful to you and with your family and all. So I'll discuss how you can correctly hand feed the chicks. This is the hand feeding formula. It's a Deli nature high protein that I use to feed them daily basis for around 4 to 5 times a day. And this is the syringe I use. This is it's a 50 ml syringe, and I used this for the crop feeding. This is actually the glucose drip wire. Actually, I cut it into the size. And this is the Pet Care International nutrition powder. So this is actually I used to mix them with the hand feeding formula, so they let them get the actual vitamins and minerals along with the hand feeding. So I'm gonna mix the formula with the water. So actually I took 1 cup, and so a little more is required. So this much is enough. So while it is mixed with the water, it should be around so this is the mixture actually. So I mixed the nutrition powder along with this. So this is for the 2 months old chicks. I used to feed them with the nutrition powder, but if it is a very 30 to 40 days old chicks, you don't need to mix the nutrition formula. Only feed them with the hand feeding formula. So let it be cooled down to the temperature of 38 or 39 maximum. So it's cooled down to 38 degrees Celsius. This is the proposition, like it's not too thicky or not too light. So that consuming the formula, that should not be that much, not that much thicky. So I took it into the syringe. So we'll let them come out from the cage. Come, babies. Come. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Come. Ooh. Come. So when you feed them, use a wide beak like this. Good boy. So let them pump. So when they pump, we should pull the trigger of the syringe. So like this, you can just pull it up. Good boy. Yes. Yeah. Okay. When you do the crop feeding, you can connect this to the syringe, and you should be very careful because there is 2 holes, like one is for the eating and one for their air hole. So if it is go to the air hole, it will die. The bird will die. So you should be very careful. Like this. Yeah. still very light, so you can feed them. Oh, no, 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 no. Yes. Right, good, good, good. Come, come. Yeah, that's it. Come, come, come. Outside by like 4 to 5 hours, they'll be crying in our room. Hey, come, come, come. Yeah. Well, come, 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 come. Playful bird. And who is hiding? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Who is hiding? Yes. Right, right. Come. Come. Step up. Come. Where is your friend? Where is your friend? I will call her. So look, the bird's crop, it is almost full. So not too much I fed. So not should be too tight. Come on, come on, come, come, come to the hand. Come. Yeah, yeah. Baby. Yeah. Come. So friends, I'm signing off for today, and don't forget to subscribe. So see you next time with the new tricks and tips. Thank you.